Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by clearing the area. Remove sunglasses, papers, and loose change so nothing blocks access. Once clear, vacuum seams, cup holders, and air vents using a narrow nozzle. This prevents grit from scratching. Now, choose a dedicated dashboard cleaner or mild soap and water. Test it on an inconspicuous panel to confirm no discoloration. If the test passes, lightly dampen a microfiber cloth and proceed. Make sure to avoid soaking electronics or airbag seams. Once done with surface dusting, focus on textured areas and tight gaps. You should use a soft detailing brush to loosen dirt and grain, and cotton swabs for seams and around buttons. Apply cleaner sparingly, spray onto the cloth rather than directly onto surfaces to avoid residue and liquid entering electronics. Wipe in overlapping passes, following the dash contours. For screens and glossy trims, use a separate, slightly damp cloth so you don't damage anti-glare coatings or leave. To finish, decide if you want a UV protectant. Apply a light coat and buff with a dry microfiber to avoid a shiny, plastic look. Put items back in organizational order and give the floor and seats a quick vacuum to catch dislodged debris. If you notice streaks or sticky residue, don't panic. Reclean the area with diluted mild soap and a clean damp cloth, then dry immediately. If stains persist, repeat the spot test and use a specialized automotive trim cleaner as a next step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.